Welcome to this property brought to you by the experts at Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty in Klamath Falls, Oregon. For more information, be sure to visit coldwellbankerhpr.com or call 541-884-1343. Very cute 2-bedroom, 1-bath 880 square foot home on almost a half-an-acre lot. This adorable home is on a quiet street in the suburbs and is close to schools, buses and shopping. A newer metal roof has been installed on the home. Gas insert fireplace in the living room heats the house very well, but each bedroom also has individual electric wall heaters. Large covered back deck off the utility room, great for entertaining or BBQing. Backyard access through a gate allowing RV parking with a fully fenced backyard. Great little starter home or investment property. Schedule your appointment to view this home today.